Own this land and let it be your history in farming. Right here in Gatundu South, Kiambu County, we have 2 acres for sale directly by the owner. It nakuzia the entire parcel at 7.5 million Kenya shillings with flexible payment plan of up to 3 months. So if you're there and you have been wanting to venture into farming activities, you want to retire and build a retirement home where hakuna makelele ya, you know, the boda boda, the matatu, beba beba, oya oya. You don't want all of that. This place, as you can tell, peace, serenity, green, fresh air, tranquility, you name it, you've got it. Kiambu County has been known for prime lands. And right here, Bei Bora Properties Limited brings you a prime agricultural land. Na hii bei, hata si mambo ya kuongea sana. Kiambu prices saizi may skyrocket. This is a very prime area with fertile soil, red soil, upper coffee. Actually, tea is also grown within the area. Tomatoes, potatoes, bananas, tomato, peppers, onion, and even pineapples and many other great things. If I was you, singengoja, we have daily free site visits, or you can reach us on 0702 722 498, or you can visit our offices. We are located in Ruiru, Greg Towers, 6th floor. And there you are going to meet this and many more prime agricultural land for sale, because Bei Bora Properties Limited brings you safe, legal, prime and secure transactions. All you have to do is give us a call and we will sort you out.
Together,